Touchdown in Atlanta, I'm feeling like Julio Jones. Studio flows, I'm breaking down Julio, about to be Ubering home. It's 2 in the morning, that bitch tryna read me, but I'm not Julie B. Jones. Who do you know here, ho? I'm turning a booth to a funeral home. Y'all really should pay me my dues, but I'm all about canceling student loans. Don't come to me saying you rap if you don't have more than like 2 or 3 flows. I gotta be careful when moving with y'all, I know what you do for a post. I'm tryna connect for real, but nowadays everyone's glued to their phone. Just know whenever I walk out of a room, it smell like perfume and cologne. Like whatever your gender identity, I'm on your neck. Keep all the cloud, I want respect. Yo man say he'll come for me, it sound like a threat. All y'all do is hang on the neck, give him a tag, loud and direct. They said I'm not gonna make it, sound like a bet. Y'all at a time and I'm on a protect. Going through deals and you're running a bet. I'm on top but I don't make a sweat. 48 minutes, I don't make a sweat. Y'all can't rap, you rely on the press. So why would I ever be pressed? Verses like mastectomy, I'm just getting this weight on my chest. Yeah, long blonde hair to the ass crack, I'm a big deal, no blackjack hashtag. I was just thinking about your man, got a flashback. Got me in the booth with a gas mask, putting on the suit, it's a hazmat. Back then, y'all were laughing at the backpack. Who's got the last laugh? Who needs a backtrack? I'm the one sliding on shit like trackpad. I'm not putting no names on a guest list. Buy a ticket, it's an investment. Why I got people I don't know in my green room drinking all my refreshments. You can't enjoy my rider if you're not a ride or die. If you're here for my vagina, then you will not be revitalized. I gotta go hit up Ian for curry whenever I'm back in town. And whenever I leave, I'm propping us up in rooms, go ask around. I'm smoking on everyone who can't write a rap right now, come past the loud. I got my ears to the streets for ghosts like a hound, I'm tracking them down. I don't know about snakes and fakes and frauds, cause I don't have them around. When they give me some bread, first order of business is trying to ration it out. Cause we went from sleeping on floors for tours and upgraded to having a couch. So when we graduate to hotels, I'm buying a whole team a cap and a gown. If they call me an industry plant after this, man, eat time laughing out loud. You take those doubts that you said about me and you put them back in your mouth. I spent all my life looking back at the mirror till I was looking back at a crowd. The way that I'm going to the top like this, you think I turn gravity around. Fuck what they're talking about, bitch, it's go time. This is the warm-up before the show time. Shake up the game and fuck up the coastline. Nobody realer, I'm on that glow grind.
Yeah, Wrekd.
Tryna sew it all together, that's a long shot. I was in the spot like Cruella till they locked shop. Damn, she was lit before you met her at the casa. Migos in my system, been a pleasure. I just pulled up low key, but they got me when I walked in. Yep, let's link soon, okay, I got you locked in. I was being real, but I told them I was joshing. Faded up for one shot, I don't do this often. I don't do this often. Buy me drinks, but I'm leaving with his hot friend. 10 when I left, but 11 when I stopped in. Think he's gonna hit because he's coming out of pocket. Damn, you bad, babe. Yeah, I know, right? Shout out to your mom, cause you my type. What's it take for a date? Make me pay for it. If you gotta ask and you can't afford it, fuck it up, ayy. Fuck it up, ayy. Double in my cup, I've had enough, ayy. Slick talker, he a schmuck, ayy. You don't have a chance.